Well, good morning and happy Friday. We've made it to the end of the week and it's a comfortable start to the day. These are our current temperatures outside right now. We have some 60s along the interstate, 74 in Lamar already as you head towards the eastern plains, upper 40s in Alamosa. I know that feels nice. It will be hot by the time we get to the afternoon and hot going into the weekend. We'll talk all about it here. Let's get right into the forecast. This is Monument outside, starting you off with a couple current conditions. Looking nice, but we do have a couple hazy spots off into the distance. It's 61 degrees on this current Hydrix reading. Downtown Colorado Springs kind of seeing the similar situation. Nice sunrise off into the distance. It's 64, but it's a bit hazy. You can kind of see a milky little filter over on that. As we get the sun up here, we'll see some conditions improve onto the ground. Satellite and radar really not showing much outside right now. The reason for that is because we're under the influence of this big broad ridge of high pressure that's centered over the Four Corners state and really the western part of the United States. This has expanded since yesterday towards the north and east, and that has created some warmer temperatures to get in here. So high temperatures for today, a little bit warmer than yesterday. 94 in Colorado Springs, 99 in Canyon City, 96 in Walsenburg, and close to it in Trinidad. And then we had some 100s as you go along the lower Arkansas River Valley. 104 in Lamar, 102 in Springfield. And so it's going to be a hot day outside. There's not much in the way of any relief. You can see a lot of sunshine here on the Stormcast. And you'll notice by the time we get to the afternoon, we'll build in a couple of clouds in a couple different spots and maybe a couple of sprinkles over the higher Sangre de Cristo mountain peaks. But for the most part, it's shaping up to be a very dry day. A little bit of some breezy conditions as you go into a couple different spots into the afternoon. It's not going to be a high wind day by no means, but you'll noticeably feel a couple 15 to 20 mile an hour breezes by the time we get to the afternoon, most notably in Pueblo and also into Fremont County. And that's where we do have this red flag warning that's in place until this evening. All of us should be on guard for any fire concerns, especially with how dry and how warm it's been. And there's also some fires around the country that are burning, and that's what's bringing us here, the smoke. So this is into the Pacific Northwest. I've plotted a lot of those fires there just to show you. And then this is our current atmospheric setup. And so when we have the wind that goes around this big arc of this ridge of high pressure, that's what's bringing the smoke into our environment here. It's not going to be super thick for today, but it still will be a bit hazy, and that's pretty noticeable too, especially if you're sensitive to the smoke in those type of conditions. In terms of what to expect going into the weekend, continuation of some hot conditions and also very dry too. As we go into Saturday, we're still under the influence of this big ridge of high pressure. Sunday, that's the same thing here. We start to get a little bit of some monsoonal moisture into the western part of the state, into Utah and also into Arizona and New Mexico, but not here east of the mountains. That starts to change as we go into Monday. As we go into Monday, we get smaller indications of it, and then it increases as we go into the rest of the week. So you'll notice here Tuesday, much thicker swath starts to be here. You start to see some indication of east of the mountains. We could get some of those rain showers, and then by Wednesday, we really start to pick it up, and that starts to bring in a lot of that much needed moisture. See some thunderstorm activity, and it'll drop our temperatures a bit too, which is a much needed relief. I know we all need that. Until we get to that point though, very, very hot temperatures. And then by Wednesday on, that's where we start to get that meaningful moisture here into southern Colorado. Colorado Springs, same deal here in terms of the overarching pattern. Very hot and dry weekend on tap. And then as we go into the next week, we start to get the monsoonal moisture back in here, more chances for some rain and some cooler temperatures. Until then, though, it's going to be hot. That's a check at your forecast for this Friday. Here's sports.